Alright guys, in this video I called the dealership to see what the pricing is to replace your twin turbos on your Audi 2.7 Allroad Quattro. It's not cheap, it's very expensive, and support your mechanics that are willing to take this as a side job, because they're going to save you a lot of money on this job. And yeah, enjoy the video. After this video, we'll be installing the AC compressor, or possibly a video on the Galant. I can't remember which one's next. That's already been recorded. So like, subscribe, share, enjoy this video. And if you're gonna have the dealership replace your turbos, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. So enjoy the video. You guys will see in this video.
Thank you for calling Chapman Automotive. This is Jessica. How can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to see how much it's going to be to replace a part on my car.
Okay, what type of vehicle?
It's a 2004 Audi Allroad 2.7 Quattro.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Thank you for calling Audi Service. You were calling about pricing?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. What can I help you with?
I have a 2004 Audi Allroad, the 2.7 Quattro, and I'm wondering what the price is to replace the turbos on it.
Replace the turbos on it. And then what did you say was the year and the model again? I'm sorry.
2004 Allroad.
2004?
Yeah.
Allroad, okay.
And it's the 2.7.
And then you wanted to see how much it was to replace the turbos?
Yeah, what you guys charge to replace it.
Okay. I'm going to put you on a brief hold. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sorry about that wait. Are you still with me?
Yes.
Okay, so approximately, just for the parts, since it is a twin turbo, it's going to be around $3,500 approximately, and then for labor, it's going to be around $2,500. So you're looking at closer to $6,000 for everything.
Okay, so $3,500 in parts and $2,500 in labor.
Yeah, and that's all estimated price. Could be a little less, could be a little more, but that's all estimated.
Okay, awesome. I appreciate that, and I will go ahead and think what I want to do with it.
Alright, thank you. If you have any other questions, give us a call back.
Okay, will do. Thank you.
Of course, bye.
Bye. Alright guys, there you go. So about $6,000 to replace the turbos on your Allroad 2.7. On this car that I'm working on, I am now going to contact the owner and figure out what they want to do. So you guys will either see this in a video of replacing the turbos, or you guys will see this as a clip within the AC. But you guys know by the time you guys watch this what the title of the video. So there it is, $6,000. I think you can get remanufactured twin turbos for $500. Don't know how great they are, but I was looking, and that does seem to be the price for some cheaper replacements. But that's it. And then labor, their labor was $2,500. So. And that'll be it. So I'll let you guys will figure out what exactly is going on with this car, and with the title of it. So thanks guys for watching, and enjoy the video.